crazy ways animals have a sixth sense. Almost everyone knows the five senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch, a taste. But what about a sixth sense? While humans only have five senses, there are plenty of animals with a sixth sense and sometimes even a seventh. Non-human animals might not have the same brain power as us, so they are quite intelligent. But they do possess something we don't: intelligent animal perceptions. These strange animal abilities can only be described as a sixth sense. These evolutionary advantages have helped them survive for millions of years and given them the almost freaky ability to have so-called animal premonitions. If it seems like animals can sense things we humans cannot, it is because they have the super ability to do just that. Here are some of the most amazing things animals can do with their sixth and seventh sense.
Spiders can measure their prey and predators just by sensing them. Do these eight-legged creatures possess all the powers of Spider-Man? No, but they do possess some truly incredible abilities that allow many to sit atop their food chain. All spiders contain a mechanoreactor organ called slit sensile, which allows them to sense the smallest physical deformations or strains on their exoskeleton. Spiders also use these organs to judge the size, weight, and perhaps even the kind of prey that gets caught in their web. Their slit sensily can be so discerning that spiders can tell the difference between prey, a predator, or even a strong gust of wind. Comb jellyfish can tell direction without having eyes. Jellyfish may be some of the oldest creatures living on planet Earth and are some of the first multicolored organisms. This ancient animal evolved without eyes, arms, or even a central nervous system. Despite this, they manage to travel thousands of miles around the ocean each year. Specialized balance receptors called statists allow calm jellies to orient themselves and stay upright among the ocean's currents. To make it even more impressive, comb jellies rely on their statists to better coordinate their clear to real in prey. Pit vipers have infrared vision. Depending on how snakes capture their prey, they have differing abilities and killer instincts. The pit viper, which live in both North and South America, has a skill so amazing it's a part of its name. The pit in the venom snake's name refers to two slits between the snake's nostril and eye. These slits are heat sensing organs that allow the snakes to see infrared, meaning they can pick up on heat surges even if in the middle of the night. The sense is so sensitive that pit peepers can actually route the size and distance of their prey using that sense alone. Pigeons use magnetreaction to get around. While these birds are most well known for being a nuisance in cities nearly everywhere, one reason pigeons are found in so many parts of the world is because they have incredible migratory power. Thanks to a special sense called magnetreaction, which is a stressor in their beaks that contains iron, pigeons can detect the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to pinpoint exactly where they are and when they need to go. This incredible skill is one of the reasons why humming pigeons were the first form of airmail, which dates back to 3,000 years ago. One of the coolest instances of humming pigeons was being used to proclaim the champions of the Olympic Games in ancient Greece. Dolphins can see everything under the sea with echolocation. The dolphin's incredible intelligence could be considered a sixth sense on its own, as they are possibly the smartest animals on the planet after humans. But their sixth sense is even more impressive. Dolphins' use of echolocation allows these animals to pinpoint what is in the water with them, including plants and fires. Echolocation relies on producing high-pitched clicks and tickles that travel throughout the ocean and bones of observations, returning to a receptor in the dolphin's head called a melon. This ability, which can be compared to sonar, allows dolphins to see the world around them in a three-dimensional representation without the use of their eyes. This is especially sharks used electrical currents in the water to sense where things are. Sharks and rays have evolved to detect their various prey in the depths below. Electroreception is the ability these animals have to detect electrical fields in the surrounding area. Thanks to their saltwater habitat, which acts as a strong conductor of electricity, sharks can detect their prey throughout the tiny electrical charges that occur when a fish or something bigger contracts its muscles. The sense is so powerful that some sharks can pick up a charge equivalent to two AA batteries, being connected 1,000 miles apart. The hammerhead shark's famous cranial shape is actually specially designed to enhance their electroreception ability. Bats don't need to use their eyes to see in the black of night. Bats might scare some people because they can fly at fast speeds in the dark of night. But really, bats aren't scary at all, they are actually incredible. Being able to fly at night isn't because they have great eyesight, it's because of their ability to use echolocation, much like their aquatic mammalian cousin, the dolphin. Insectivorous bats are able to fly through dark caves and the night sky in search of their prey thanks to their larynx ability to generate ultrasound through their mouth and nose. Much like the dolphin, the bat's echolocation paints a three-dimensional view of the world around them. In fact, the reason many insectivorous bats have wrinkly faces is because they act much like the inside of an ear and pick up sound.